In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do slow motion effect in CapCut. Slow motion looks best when the original footage is shot at a higher frame rate, like 60 or 120 frames per second. If your clip is 24 or 30 frames per second, you can still slow it down. Just keep the effect moderate to avoid choppiness. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web editor. The steps are the same. Create a new project so you're looking at a clean timeline and media panel. Next, choose 16:9. This is the standard widescreen aspect ratio for YouTube and most displays, and it ensures your slow-mo looks great full screen. If your content is meant for another platform, you can always switch ratios later, but 16:9 is a solid starting point. Import your video by uploading it and placing it on the timeline. Wait for it to finish loading, then click the clip to select it. With the clip highlighted, look for the speed control. This is where all time adjustments live. Click Speed to open the speed tools. Now choose Curve. Curve speed gives you speed ramping, which means you can ease into and out of the slow motion instead of jumping abruptly. From there, select Custom. You'll see a graph with several dots across it. The horizontal axis represents time along your clip, and the vertical axis represents speed. Dots higher on the graph play faster. Dots lower play slower. To create the slow motion effect, drag the dots down where you want the action to slow. For example, pull the middle dots downward to create a slow section in the center, and keep the dots on either side higher to return to normal speed. Move a dot left or right to change where the change happens, and move it up or down to adjust how intense the effect is. Gentle slopes make smooth ramps. Steep drops create dramatic, snappy changes. Press play to preview as you go, and make small adjustments until the motion feels natural. A few quick tips while you fine-tune. Avoid dropping to extreme lows if your source frame rate is modest. 0.5x to 0.25x usually stays clean. If you hear pitchy audio during slow-mo, consider muting that section or planning a music hit over it. Once you're happy with the timing and the flow, that's your slow motion done in CapCut. Enjoy creating.